it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And we are approaching the Thanksgiving season, and I want to add to your sides. I don't want to replace any of the classics, I just want to add to. So I'm gonna give you a twofer, so this is gonna be 2 recipes in one. I'm about to show you a new take on some cauliflower, so I'll be showing you how to make a sauce, and then also how the sauce adds to the cauliflower. So, if you wanna see just how I do it, keep watching, and you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of some soy sauce, and then you'll take 1 cup of some ketchup, followed by a 1/4 cup of molasses, and then a 1/2 cup of honey. Now we're gonna begin to season. So we've got some garlic powder, some onion powder, and then a little mixing. I'm just gonna go ahead and shout out a pro tip. You wanna mix at every step. So going in with some smoked paprika, and as you can see, my jar is starting to overflow, so I went ahead and transferred to a mug, and then I'm adding in that 2nd tablespoon of smoked paprika and stirring. Next goes in a little Dijon mustard, so roughly a tablespoon, and again, you want to mix. So I'm gonna add in just a little black pepper, as well as a little bit of salt to taste, because you can never have too many seasonings when it comes to this particular sauce. So again, mixing. And then I decided to transfer it into a mason jar so that way I could shake it to help with that mixing. I'm adding a little sriracha, and as you can see here, I am going to shake. And then I went ahead and added in some liquid smoke. So I added in 2 capfuls, the other one off camera. So I'd say anywhere from a 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. And then again, a good shake. Now to our cauliflower. I went ahead and cut it in half, and then I went ahead and separated the florets. So it's a personal preference whether you choose to cut the stems off or leave them. They're edible, so it's really up to you. I decided to cut mine off just because I wanted more florets than stems. And then I'm transferring it into a colander to rinse again. Now that they're rinsed and dried, I'm gonna take some olive oil and a little Creole seasoning and just make sure that all of the pieces of cauliflower are well coated. So once they're well coated, you wanna go ahead and put them into your oven to bake for 20 minutes on 450 degrees. So once they come out and while they're still hot, I'm gonna go ahead and pour our sauce over them, and then again just toss all the cauliflower florets in the sauce before putting it back into the oven for an additional 10 minutes to bake. And when they come out of the oven, I put a little sprinkle of parsley on it, and y'all, poppin'! But let me know what you think in the comment section below.